In this video, you'll learn how to dropship from eBay to eBay. This process involves sourcing products from suppliers and selling them on your eBay store. By following these steps, you will understand the necessary precautions and strategies to succeed in this business model. First, it is essential to understand eBay's dropshipping policy before starting your journey. This policy outlines what is permissible regarding sourcing and selling products. Ensure that any supplier you choose allows resale legally. It is crucial to avoid listing items that you cannot source reliably, as this could lead to customer dissatisfaction. Take the time to research price differences between your suppliers and eBay to determine your potential profit margins. Selecting reliable suppliers will help ensure smooth transactions and satisfied customers. Next, create optimized listings on your eBay store with competitive pricing. This means using clear images and detailed descriptions to attract buyers. Monitor your inventory availability daily to avoid listing items that are out of stock. Adjust your pricing according to any changes from your suppliers to maintain competitiveness. When you make a sale, ensure that you provide tracking numbers for every shipment. This allows buyers to follow their orders and enhances their shopping experience. Maintaining communication with buyers is also important, as it builds trust and can lead to positive feedback. After setting up your listings, handling returns and disputes professionally is vital. Establish a clear return policy that aligns with avoid late shipment penalties by processing orders promptly and ensuring that your suppliers ship items on time. Keeping accurate records of all transactions will help in managing your business effectively. This includes documenting sales, returns, and any communications with buyers. Regularly monitoring your seller performance metrics is equally important. eBay provides insights into your sales, shipping performance, and customer feedback. This information is crucial for understanding how well your store is performing and where improvements may be necessary. Maintaining compliance with eBay's policies will help prevent account suspension and ensure a successful dropshipping experience. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.